Syncing and SiteCapture is the process of pushing all of the data and photos you've captured in the SiteCapture mobile app through the cloud and ensuring that information is saved. When information is fully synced from the mobile app, it is available for SiteCapture users to view in the web app. When using the SiteCapture iOS mobile app, it's important to make sure you've upgraded to the most recent version of the app, ensuring you have the latest sync features. When you log in on the iOS mobile app, the first view that you will see is the project list view. In the top right corner, you will see a sync icon. When you are syncing, that icon will be spinning. You can press on the icon to force a sync. You will also see a sync status shown in this toolbar. If you have data and photos left to sync, you will see that here. You'll also see when you are fully synced. By default, you will be syncing data and photos when you are on the project list view in the SiteCapture iOS mobile app. When you are in a project in the SiteCapture mobile app, in this view here, you will also see a sync icon in the top right and a sync status here. When you collect data and capture photos and go back to your project view here, you will not start syncing by default. You will see a sync status that says ready to sync. This shows we have one photo and one field left to sync. If you press done to go back to the project list view, you will start syncing. You can see that the icon was spinning and that the status changed to synced. If you would like to auto sync when you are in the project view, you can press on the three lines in the top left, press on sync status, scroll down to auto sync and toggle that on. Press on done again, and go back to the project list view. Now, when you are in a project and you are capturing photos and data, and you go back to the project view, it will automatically start syncing. Back in the project list view, you can press on the three lines in the top left and press on sync status to get to the sync menu. Press on start syncing now if you would like to force syncing. Below that, you'll see unsynced items. This will show you all the projects, photos, and fields that you have left unsynced. Since we are fully synced, you can see everything shows 0. Below that, you'll see the sync settings menu. Here, you can turn on sync on Wi-Fi only, optimize photo download, auto sync, which we just looked at, and sync notifications. Turning on sync notifications will allow you to receive notifications if you have unsynced photos and data on your phone and need to reopen the SiteCapture mobile app to finish syncing. It's very important to remember that the SiteCapture mobile app needs to stay open in order to sync. Please make sure that you check your device settings and turn off auto lock. Please also remember that you should never log out of the SiteCapture mobile app before completing a sync. If you do log out and you have not finished syncing, you will lose photos and data. A few other things to remember when syncing in the SiteCapture mobile app. If you do see a red sync error, press the eye icon to see the error. Usually this is related to a permissions issue, and you will need to reach out to your SiteCapture administrator at your company. Also, do not share usernames between multiple people and devices. This can cause data loss and syncing issues. Please be sure that each person has their own unique username. If you need your own unique username, you can reach out to your SiteCapture administrator at your company. If you ever have questions about syncing and need more help, you can always email us at support@sitecapture.com. And you can also press on the 3 lines in the top left, go back to the sync status menu, scroll to the bottom, and press on Issues Syncing. This will take you to our SiteCapture support site. Here you can review tips on how to sync, as well as submit a support request.